beach, and you know around here is a nice place to come. So if you're having a party or a birthday party or a wedding reception, you can come around here and enjoy yourself because it's nice and clean, and it's Portland we live, so it's a wonderful place to be.
True. Big up yourself, brother. See?
Every family.
Respect. Manners, brother.
Yeah, this is Shanshai Beach Complex.
Yeah.
You know, Port Antonio, Jamaica. Brian's Bay to be exact. You know, it's one of the finest beach, but it's in the making.
Yeah, man.
You can see we're doing some improvements around the place, changing up a couple stuff. If you look up that side, you see we added on an extension, a dining area. We're setting up a lounge area over that side, slowly but surely.
Yeah,
Big
man.
plans, you know. Plan to take the #1 spot in Portland. It's a public beach, it's a free beach, so they can come in and out. There's no entry fees.
Yeah, man. Anybody can come.
Anybody can come in, locals and tourists. You know, we just don't allow food still because we have a restaurant. But
Yeah. Big up yourself and respect, you see me?
Yeah.
I can't skate, man.
The mindset, you see it? In command, in command. I'm just going to say, what?